Xiamen MachMaster-CNC Machining is a professional metal fabrication and injection molding factory, which specialize in this field more than 20 years. MachMaster is one of the best CNC machining companies in China. It has more than 100 employees and covers an area of more than 5,000 square meters. With high-precision CNC machining center, injection center, molding center, and surface treatment center, more than 70 sets of professional equipment, MachMaster has its own anodized factory. With professional production experience and mechanical engineers, we committed to custom high-precision products.